Hi, in this lesson you will learn how to calculate the max pot bets. Let's jump right into it. I find the best example to explain how the max pot bet works is the following. Let's say we're playing blinds of $1 and $2. Under the gun player starts the action and he says raise pot. First, he needs to put in the last bet to the pot, which is $2. Then count the pot, it's $5. Then add those two values, so $2 plus $5 is $7 and his pot raise is to $7. Then the hijack says raise pot. He puts in the last bet to the pot, which is $7, and counts the pot. It's $17. He adds those two values, so that's 7 plus 17, which equals 24, and his pot raise is to $24. Then the cutoff says he wants to raise the pot as well. He puts in the last bet to the pot, so $24, and counts the pot. It's $58. Add those two values and the cutoff raises to $82. Now the button also wants to raise the pot. He puts in the last bet of $82 and counts the pot. It's $198, and that means he can now raise 198 above 82, so his raise is to $280. And so on and so forth. So basically the formula is put in last bet X, then count the pot Y, and raise Y over X to a combined value of Y plus X. Do you want to learn how to play PLO? Are you a beginner player who's never played Omaha before? Do you want to learn how to crush casual players easily? If so, this course is perfect for you. It's a crash course on Pot Limit Omaha dedicated for beginner players. You will learn all the fundamentals of PLO. You will learn what hands to play, when to play them, and how to play them. You will learn the basic strategies that allow you to be a winning player at your home games or microstakes online. If you want to learn PLO quickly and easily, get this course now at gokupoker.com.